Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Vivo V17 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo V17. First of all, you need to open camera in your phone. Click here for camera and take a picture. There will be a sound. To turn off, go to settings in camera and turn off this button. Now you will not hear any sound. If you want to have sound, again turn on this button. Clicking out sound is there. So in this way you can easily turn on or turn off camera clicking sound in your phone Vivo V17. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.